I'm a gamer, and every time I started playing GTA 5 on my PC, my frame rates would drop, making the game feel super laggy. It was so frustrating. I realized this was because of low VRAM. After doing some research, I increased my VRAM, and guess what? My frame rates improved, and I finally got to enjoy GTA 5 without any issues. Today, I'm going to show you how you can increase your VRAM just like I did. Let's get started. All right, let's start with the steps to manually increase your VRAM in Windows 11. Follow along with me. First, press the Windows key plus Y to open the Settings app. Simple, right? Next, head over to System and then click on About. This is where you'll find your system info. On this page, look for Advanced System Settings on the right-hand side and click it. This opens up the System Properties window. Under the Performance section, click on Settings. This will bring up the Performance Options window. Now go to the Advanced tab. Here you'll see a section for virtual memory. Click on Change. This is where the magic happens. Now you need to uncheck the box that says Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Once you do this, you can manually set your VRAM. The next step you have to do is select Custom Size and input your desired virtual memory size. You can adjust these numbers depending on your needs. And don't worry, I'll explain how to calculate the best size in a moment. After entering your custom size, click OK to apply the changes. You might need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. B. Now let's talk about how much VRAM you should set. This part is crucial because setting it too high or too low could affect your system's stability. Windows say that the minimum paging file size is usually 1.5 times your RAM, and the maximum can go up to 3 times your RAM. Let's say you have 8 GB of RAM installed. Using the Windows formula minimum size, 8 GB RAM into 1.5 equals sign 12 GB, 12,288 MB. Maximum size 8 GB RAM into 3 equals sign 24 GB, 24,576 MB. And that's it. You've now learned how to increase your VRAM in Windows 11, which can help you boost your FPS and overall PC performance. Just remember, while adjusting virtual memory can help, it's usually best to let Windows manage it for you. But if you're a power user or want to experiment, these steps will guide you through the process. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.